Okay, everybody, let's put that roller into the tray, pour it back up onto the pallet. Okay, now we're gonna go over here to our wall. We're gonna go right in the middle, go all the way up and all the way down. Over a little bit, all the way back up. Medium pressure to release the paint from the roller now. Light pressure down the bottom. Now let's go back over our work to blend everything in. Okay, dunk your roller. I do it about 3 to 4 times. I bring it over to the wall, start halfway up. All the way up, all the way down. Light pressure down the bottom. Medium pressure, light pressure. Light pressure to blend it in. Go over a little bit. Light pressure. Okay, dunk your roller. Okay, let's go back over to the wall. Start in the middle. All the way up, all the way down and over. All the way back up. Now let's go back down, back up, over a little bit. Let's get over our holidays and any imperfections, and let's go over the work. The reciprocals, I simply go around them with a roller. They've already been cut in. There you go. Go all the way back up over your work. Now let's dunk the roller again. Okay, we'll come back over to the wall, start in the middle, go all the way up, all the way back down. Over a little bit, all the way up, all the way back down again. All the way up. Now let's lightly blend over our work to get any imperfections, lines. Very good. Let's go over and blend this into the trim a little better. Outstanding.